After the first running in operation, it is necessary to disassembly the pump head for a second time to clean the interior. Remove the 3 socket head cap screws which tighten fan cover, and remove fan cover. Remove the 5 socket head cap screws which hold the motor assembly and the inside fixed scroll plate. Lift the pump head assembly and separate it from the motor assembly.
Rotate the motor shaft by hand to check its smooth rotation. Confirm that it rotates smoothly and without blocking. Remove the socket head cap screw which fixes the outside fan to the main shaft, the spring washer and the gasket. Remove the outside fan and the key. Turn the pump head over and remove the socket head cap screw which fixes the inside fan to the main shaft, the spring washer and the gasket. Remove the outside fan and the key.
Remove the 6 socket head cap screws diagonally by turns which fix the outside fixed scroll plate and the inside fixed scroll plate together.
Pull out the outside fixed scroll plate axially. Pull out the main shaft in the axial direction.
With the help of the M6 inner hexagon spanner, remove the orbiting scroll plate. The second time disassembly of the pump finished.